Spiders are amazing creatures. They spin webs and catch their food. But did you ever wonder, do spiders sleep? It's a funny question, isn't it? We sleep in our beds. Cats and dogs sleep too. Even fish seem to rest. Well, spiders don't sleep like we do. They don't close their eyes and dream, but they do rest. Just like you and me, spiders need rest. They run around and catch food. They spin beautiful webs. All that activity makes them tired. When spiders rest, their bodies can slow down. Their hearts beat slower. Their energy comes back. Then they are ready to go again. Where do spiders rest? They find safe, hidden places. Some spiders hide under leaves. Others tuck themselves into corners. Some even make special retreats in their webs. When spiders rest, they might curl up their legs a little, but they are always alert. They can feel any vibrations on their webs. That's how they know if dinner is coming. There are so many kinds of spiders. Some are big and hairy, others are small and colorful. Some spiders are even helpful. They eat pesky insects in gardens. Spiders are fascinating creatures. They are more active at night. During the day, you might spot one taking a rest. Next time you see a spider, remember how amazing they are. See you in the next video. Bye!